Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make vegetable korma. It's a perfect dish for all the veg lovers and it's a healthy option too. So in order to make veg korma, first you have to keep all the ingredients ready. Carrot I have taken 150 cut in diamond, potato 150 grams cut in diamond, mushroom cut in quarters, fresh mushroom, and then we have green peas and green beans also cut in diamonds. So once you have all the vegetable ready, our next step will be you have to grind tomatoes. I've taken 2 tomato and 4 of garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, and make a paste and keep it on the side. The next step is keep a pan hot. Once the pan is hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, desi ghee. Once that is hot, add onions. I've taken 2 medium size slice. Fry this onion till they are golden brown in color. Guys, check this onion. This is ready now. I will remove only the onion and leave the oil and ghee. And in the same pan, add 50 grams of cashew nuts. Give golden brown in color. Remove and keep it separately. So in the same pan, add 1 inch of cinnamon, 4 cloves, star anise 1 inch, green cardamom, elaichi 2 each, now add tomato puree which we have made earlier, tomato, ginger and garlic, and cook it on a medium flame. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Cook it with the masala. Now add onion and cashew nuts to a grinder. By adding water, make it to a fine paste. As our masala is getting ready, check how well it is cooked. Now add carrot and potatoes as it takes little bit longer time to cook. That is why I have added earlier. Mix it nicely, and by adding 1 cup of water, mix well. Add salt, cover and let it cook for at least 10 minutes on a slow flame. Now as our carrot and potatoes are cooked till 60%, now it's time to add the remaining vegetables, mushroom, green beans and green peas. Mix well and let it cook for another 8 minutes. Now add the paste. This is the onion and cashew nut paste. By adding water to the jar, mix all the ingredients. By adding sufficient amount of water, check the gravy consistency and let it cook. Cover and cook till the vegetables are all cooked properly. And finally we have to add cream, which is 1 tablespoon fresh cream. This gives you a better taste and a creamy texture. Check our veg korma is ready now. Guys, try this recipe and you can enjoy veg korma at home. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.